Hi, this is Bernie Golbach from the Youth Media team in Ireland. We are making and sharing content and explaining how we do it. Step 4, production. Record high quality at source.
Production. Most of the time our handsets do all the production.
That's the inside tip. It's easy, mobile journalism if you know how to handle your microphones and your applications. We like to go to places with a mic that might be as simple as a handheld mic. However, there are some sophisticated digital literacies behind the whole process. Remember, we started with research and some preparation. We recorded some segments and explained how. Now we're going to explain how the production happens. There's post-production and some other things to be concerned about, like reimagining the content, publishing it, syndicating it, tracking where it goes, and archiving all the content. Remember previously how important it is to record with a confident smile? Yes, all the production we do will sound flat. If that's at source, it doesn't sound happy. You need to get high quality audio when you record. And if you don't listen to the rest of what I'm going to say here, just park that idea at the source. High quality. 4 important facts about production. The best audio you're going to get is the high quality audio that you need to get when you make your initial recording. How to do that? Voices close to the microphone. Record in WAV format if possible. And know this, our Spreaker app and our Spreaker account produces most of our content. The production of the audio that's being done by the youth media team in Ireland is helped immensely by the back-end process on the phone, on the tablet, and on the server. Okay, what can you do? High quality at source. I'll say that again and again. If you don't have good quality, you're not going to have good quality on the way out. Crap in means crap out. An important thing to know, it's a fact of life. How can you get better quality? Well, you can move to a quiet space. In every venue that we work with the youth media team, there's always side areas, small rooms, or corners that you can control with interruptions by shutting off your own notifications before recording. That means silencing your phone, maybe turning it off. If you need to corral somebody, use a helper to keep your recording space clear. We have red shirts that we wear. They're seen as reflective vests for a lot of people. You surround somebody like the Minister for Education, and you can get a recording done without someone getting in your face. It's important to have really consistent recording levels. You need to know you're recording. Don't be afraid to project your own voice. Repeat questions if you need to. And if you're working with somebody that's an A-lister, have a second device that's running at the same time as you're recording. This is how you know it's working. Red recording and numbers. You got to see the numbers and the red recording word. Otherwise, you're not recording. Run a second recording. We use normally a different kind of device. Running one perhaps on the Spreaker app and another one on the Zoom recorder. Get close to the mic. So point it at the person you're recording, and then remember to revert it back to wherever you are. Talk into the mics. They're designed to be talked into. Point the mic to the person that's talking. Move it back to yourself. If you have a question, move it to the person. If you expect an answer. Record in high quality uncompressed WAV. And that's a technical thing we show students how to do. It requires you to toggle a setting.
So you want to see what kind of format you're in. On the Zoom H6 field recorder that we use, you set it up at the beginning so that the recording you get is the highest quality possible. We like to use WAV format for that. Activate the side menu here to go into the format. By pressing it once, you're looking for recording format. So you find the recording option and then press the option, look for the recording format. It should say WAV 14 or 44.1 16-bit. That's a good idea.
If you're doing it right in the app, at the bottom of the app right-hand corner, you'll see red if it's too high. Yellow and green if it's perfect. Look for the green and the yellow. Spreaker behind the scenes simplifies all these production methods. You're concerned with the app works, the mic works, you have the questions, you've got the confidence, you have the good attitude when you're moving the mic back and forth, you're projecting your voice, you're asking good questions. It's going to work. Spreaker simplifies the entire production behind the scenes. Brilliant way of keeping your focus on interviewing and the production actually shoveled over to an application and to a server. At the end of the day, Spreaker produces really good audio for us. It was free to download, has easy application installation for the iPads we use and the Android phones that we use. You tap a simple big red button to make sure it records. And here's the other important thing. Drafts are saved. You're not going to lose a recording. And the content uploads really, really quickly. You can spot the big red button. It's available in Google Play. It's available in the Apple Podcast Store. You can find Spreaker.com/YMTFM and all the content we put there, more than 2,000 pieces of content worth subscribing to on all good podcatchers and on Spreaker itself. Okay, 4 main takeaways you need to know about.
Pro tips about production. Number 1, the best content is captured in high quality at its source. Number 2, get voices close to the mics. Number 3, record in WAV if possible. Number 4, most of our productions happen right in the app.
That's right. Spreaker takes care of it as long as you're prepped and ready to go. The big takeaway, you produce high quality at source. Make sure it happens. Good quality at source.
Catch up with us at YMTFM.
Thanks for listening. Production Inside Tips. You can find Youth Media Team from Ireland podcast on all good podcatchers and see our images on Flickr, Twitter, and Instagram. Bye for now.